So this is our Target street right here. So this is a little market street, and I'm with my daughter right here. And we're gonna start at this Three Lanterns district right here. So we have all these people kind of hanging out in this whole area, a big circular area. And we're gonna be heading down that way. Oh yeah, which way? Dun dun dun, 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 dun. Let's do it. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. She's leading us this way. She says, go this way. So before we go, we have to say goodbye to all of this right here, right? So we got all these, so we got this whole little circle all the way around. Tons of people hanging out on a Sunday. And this is called Three Lanterns or Three Lamps District. And we're gonna go all the way down.
Huh? What?
Got your hand like that? We're gonna go down that way. Let's do it. So I'll raise the camera up, and we'll just kind of film as we go through, and then we'll probably pass the camera back and forth a little bit as well. So okay, this one is let's see, the name of this street. We'll capture the name. I think it's down at the end of the street, so we're gonna capture it. But they have all this. Oh, we're also gonna look for something too, aren't we? Look for a bag. So we'll see what we can see for a bag. So yeah, this is a pretty busy marketplace area. You get flowers here, get some pants here. Look, it's stylish, but I already have the style already, you know? Because I got a hold of mine, right? 35 baht, that's almost nothing. Short style.
A skirt? Weird.
Skirt. They all look like they've been a little bit out, they look like they've traveled a lot. This clothing here looks like it's like well traveled. Looks like it's like been in exhaust fumes, been in different marketplaces and different places. So what do you see? Stickers. Oh, this sticker is a game. Got lots of clothing here as well. I think we might get some stickers here. Kind of have a little bit of a sticker dilemma. There's so many good stickers here that it's hard to know which one is the best, which 2 or 3 is the best. So she's gonna decide. Got many options in here. There's so many choices here. I guess that one goes back. That one's a maybe.
Maybe. This is a maybe.
And that one looks like... Oh, that one's a no. I would have thought that would have been a yes. She's going to decide while I see what that is. Oh, okay. Whole little thing going on in there. A lot of detail.
This? Yes.
So we'll let you know what we decide. Success.
Success. Very sad success.
So process
Very
of elimination, but you got some good ones. Dun, 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 da, 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 da.
You can tell, I'm already obsessed with everything.
She likes them all. But they're only 10 each, which is actually about $1 American. And the market, this place is kind of cool. And there's actually some kind of cool stuff in here. So actually you can see everywhere there's like these black and white Portugal floors, and they go all the way down into these little corners as well. And that has barber shop as well. So let's just go down here briefly. But this area they do tailors. So there's a lot of tailors in this area. Another tailor is here as well. So if anybody needs a tailor, this is where you can go. Supermarket, restaurant. And this is called Patio de Ferna Mendes Pinto. And then this other street right here, this market street, is also called Ferna Mendes Pinto. And I think that's a writer that was from Portugal that was quite famous a long time ago when they were naming street names. He wrote some book, and I think there was some story that I saw that something about he's exaggerated a lot and kind of told some tall tales sometimes, often. But anyways, that's the street we're on. Got a very happy daughter with some stickers that she loves, and we're kind of looking for a bag, and we're kind of showing you the streets at the same time. We got a fish place too, so you get aquarium fish in this one, and you get fruits over here. It's getting a little bit dark. I got my haircut. We got a haircut. Tyler got his haircut here last time, right? Oh yeah, that guy hadn't had a haircut in a while, eh? Looks like. So okay, so this is Rua de Ferna Mendes Pinto. That's the street right there. And if we kept walking down, we'd go into a different street with a different name. That's called Rua de Tome Pires. And that's actually a pretty good street with a lot of stuff going on too. We got a very happy daughter. So that was our street right here. So maybe we'll they got a lot of stuff that they're buying. Okay, so a pretty successful street. Marketplace, stickers that only cost $1 each. So that's like almost nothing here. So, okay.
Bye. See you next video.
That's right. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.